This is the practice test for whole numbers, and here we're working on problem number 9. The problem asks us to find the average of the following 4 exam scores: 76, 91, 82, and 71. And to find the average, we add the numbers, and then we divide by the number of numbers that we have. And so our first step is to add the 4 numbers together, and we end up with 320. And then we have 4 numbers, so we're going to take the 320 and we're going to divide it by 4. So 4 fits into 32 8 times, and then 8 times the 4 is 32, and I subtract 32, I have 0. And then after I subtract, I always bring down my next digit to the right, which is a 0. And then I always have to divide by this number here, the divisor. 4 fits into 0 0 times, and I have to put that 0 up here on the line. And then I can do the last step, which is 0 times the 4 gives me 0, and I end up with 0 here as a remainder. So 4 fits into 320 80 times, and that would be my average. So that's the method for finding the average. You add the numbers, and then you divide by the number of numbers, which is 4. And in this case, the average would be 80.